Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, join my lovely family because that would be very nice and that would mean a lot to me. If you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. So today's video is going to be a makeup revolution haul. So if you want to see what I got from Makeup Revolution, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles, and let's go ahead and get started. So basically I have 3 boxes full to the brim with stuff, and we're going to start like this. I'm going to start with skincare and then face products and then eyeshadow palettes because I have a lot. Let's start with skincare, shall we? Basically, I have been loving the skincare products from Revolution. I use them every single day and I had to repurchase some things whilst I wanted to try out new things. So the first thing that we have over here is the the 15% niacinamide super strength formula. It targets blemish refining and moisturizing serum. Basically, I use niacinamide every morning and every night, and this helps with blemishes and reducing them. But they actually created this super size formula, which is new, which is like an adaptation of their already 15% niacinamide. So I wanted to give this a shot. And then I repurchased this one, the Night Restore Oil, which is basically squalane and evening primrose oil. I don't know, it helps restore the looks of skin's texture, and actually it does really do the trick. Like, trust me guys, it actually, my skin looks super smooth after using it for like a month, and I use this only in the night, so I only apply this before you go to bed. And then I have this one, and I forgot I bought this. Basically, this is the Revolution 0.5% retinol with rose hip seed oil. It's again in the super strength formula, and it encourages even skin tone and helps condition skin. This is it right here. I need to add these two to my bathroom. And I love the packaging of the skincare. Like, their skincare packaging is so cute. They also have face masks, and I got 3. So I got the Revolution Jake Jamie collaboration of the mince pie. This was a Christmas scent. Never tried it, but it actually smells of mince pies. Oh my god. Don't know if I like this, I don't know, but we'll definitely give this. I also want to give this a try. It's the Nourish Boost CBD rich nourishing cream, and remember that these are all cruelty free products, and then some of them are vegan as well. This one example is vegan. I don't like how it smells. It reminds me of plasticine. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, I got this one as well. And I also got the peel off mask, which is a pore refining peel, which I need to try this out. That's the first box. That was more skincare. Now let's go on to face. We have the Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer, and I actually tried this in my last video. And I have this one, which I haven't tried out yet. It's the Prep and Glow Base Coat. I'm quite disappointed with Revolution because they don't send nail polishes anymore to Malta. But this one I had managed to get, and it's a Prep and Glow nail polish. And then I had gotten this one, the liquid highlighters, and this one is in the shade Euphoric Gold, and this one is in Rose Gold. I absolutely love these highlighters. And then another set of highlighters that I love is the Revolution Skin Kiss highlighters, and we got Golden Kiss and Frozen Kiss, so yes siree. And then I also got the coconut baking powder, and again this is reviewed in my last video. The Revolution Duo Face Sculpt, which is like a holy grail in the Revolution world. And they also really false lashes as well, and I got these 2 sets. Haven't tried them yet. I got the Lady Rit and the Burly There styles, so yes, still need to try them out. I don't know what I think of them looking at them because they look a bit, I don't know. But we'll see when we try them out. And then I also got this one, which is the I Heart Revolution Shimmering Highlighting Powder. Actually really cute. It actually is packaged so beautifully, and if you want to see how it tests out, then check out my previous video. I got these blushes which actually test out really nicely. I got in 2 shades, blusher in Rhubarb and Custard and Pink Lady. Absolutely love this blush. I tried this one in my previous tutorial, and it tested out really nicely. Got this brush as well, the Sculpt and Contour brush. It's a face and sculpt brush. And then I also got this one, and I saw people raving about it. It's the Revolution Pro Matte Collaboration Bronzer. And I saw lots of people rave about this bronzer, and actually was out of stock as well. But I managed to get it, and it comes like this. The shade is like this. It feels very soft. Yeah, it looks like a nice bronzy shade. And then I also got this one, which I haven't tried yet. It's the Baking Primer. It's a Hydrate and Prep Skin for Flawless Makeup Application. I actually like primers from Makeup Revolution. I think they really do some good primers. I got the Pore Perfecting Primer, and basically they had copied the one that e.l.f. had done, and I had gotten it, and I don't know where I put it. So I have the e.l.f. one. And now I also got the Makeup Revolution one, and yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. Just need to figure out how to open this thing. Ooh, the packaging is flawless, and it really resembles the e.l.f. one. And then we got this one, the Soft Brown Eyebrow Definer. Didn't like this one, as you saw in my previous tutorial. And then I got some lipsticks as well, because I had loved the Revolution. I had tried this shade and absolutely fell in love. This one is in the shade called Brunch, and I absolutely love this shade, so I picked up some other lipsticks. I picked up, well, there was Dollhouse, Ballerina, Destiny, and Ruby. So I picked those up. And then I also picked the Sebille collaboration lipsticks as well. This is the one that I'm wearing today. It's called Get Noticed. So this is the one I have on my lips. And then there also was this one, which is called Venus Kiss. Those were the lipsticks that I ordered. Absolutely love them, because this is actually stunning. Stunning. If you want some good matte lipsticks, check those out. Now basically what's left is, oh my god, I'm very old. All the eyeshadows that I bought. Basically, this haul, I've been collecting these boxes for a number of months now. So please don't think that I just went out and bought all these products like now. I think I've been collecting them, I would say, probably since the last Revolution haul that I did, which I forgot when I did it, but that was a while ago. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. So let's start with this one. This one I actually really want to try out, and I actually got it because of the shades. They're so unique, and I don't have anything like them in my collection. So this is the Alexis Stone Transformation Palette, and it is one of their collaborations. And I got it because look at the shimmer shades. They're so stunning. Look, let me show you one. So those are two. Whoa. Like, do you see them, guys? They're duochrome shades, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I said, you know, need to get them. Okay, and then I got the Cinnamon palette from iHeart Revolution, because I like collecting these ones. And this one, I've actually tried it before, but it comes like this, and actually does smell of cinnamon. So then I also got this one, and this is the Revolution Forever Flawless in Ice palette, and this was the blue gorgeous stunning palette. That is stunning. It reminds me of the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, so I definitely need to do a tutorial on this. Then they also had released these ones, the flavored Revolution palettes. And so the first one we have is this one, iHeart Revolution Sweet and Tasty. Over the coming weeks, I wanted to start doing palette tutorials with these palettes. Like, isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. And then there's this one of the hot dog. And this one is iHeart Revolution So Tasty palette, the hot dog one. Yeah, these are the So Tasty palettes. And this is the hot dog. I absolutely love the color scheme from this palette. Then we have this one, which is called Freshly Ground. And I absolutely love the packaging. Like, even on the boxes, it's actually really pretty. But then the packaging of it is so cute. And this is the coffee one. I mostly got these things for the packaging. But this is a pretty palette as well, actually. And then I got, these were the earlier ones. So this is Tasty Chili. I actually should do a makeup tutorial on all of these palettes. That will be my challenge for 2020. Then there's the pizza one. I got them all, guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the Tasty Pizza. And look how cute. The packaging is adorable. And this is Tasty Pizza. So this is Creme Brulee. Again, this is another I Heart Revolution palette. Creme Brulee is actually really pretty. And then there's the Sprinkles one, which I don't know why I got. I think I got mostly because of the packaging. Because all the shades are like, what the hell am I gonna do with this? This one is called Chocolate Truffle because, you know, why not? Actually, Chocolate Truffle is really pretty. It's my kind of shades. And then we have another tasty one, which is the avocado one. It comes like this. And the shades are absolutely pretty. They're nothing like I own, very green. The packaging of these tasty palettes is beautiful. Want me guys to do like a tutorial on all of these palettes that I'm mentioning? Like, let me know in the comments down below. This is the Sabile Day to Day Shadow Palette. She also has Day to Night, but I didn't like it. I prefer this one, so I chose this one only. And this is the palette. It comes with the names like this. Don't like that, but yeah, I like this green shade over here. That's gorgeous. It's quite a natural palette and you don't have that much shimmer shades. You have this one, which is a shimmer, this one, which is a shimmer, and this one, and the rest are all matte shades. So if you want like a natural palette, then I would suggest this one. Obviously, I haven't tested it out, but you know, when I test it out, we can confirm if it's a good palette or not. Just three more palettes, guys. This is not a nice palette, but the packaging, come on guys, I am not going to, like, even the box is so cute and has like a story about Meet the Poochies. We have Biscuit, which is this one right here, that dog. Biscuit loves chasing beastly squirrels, fine dining, and his girlfriend Lala. Then we have Coco. I hope they do more palettes of these. Coco loves to chew socks, woof a lot, and cuddles with Team Revolution. And then we have this one right here, and he's Bruno. Bruno loves taking a dip in ponds and puddles, having lions and pizza night. And then we have Blondie, which is this one right here. And Blondie loves eating, running around Hampstead heat, and snuggles in bed with her humans. I mean, come on, guys. And this is the palette. Actually, it's a gorgeous palette, but I think I used it once. And I didn't like it a lot. But I like the shades, like they're pretty, and look at the packaging, like come on. They should do one with cats, like, and I'll be like on that Revolution palette like a freaking chihuahua. And then I got this one because I said I want this as well, and this one is the Forever Flawless Allure palette, and this is really hard to open, and it comes like this. This is actually a really pretty pink palette, and that's why I got it, because it's pretty pink. And then finally, I also got the Patricia Bright palette, and I got this one, which is beautifully big. And this one is Patricia Bright Rich in Life, and it comes like so, like this. It actually reminds me of the Jaclyn Hill palette, actually. So yeah, that was my Revolution haul. Basically, I will be doing some Revolution videos for sure this year. I do want to go see, they have like these new range of mascaras, but like I'm trying not to. Yeah, but you know what? Revolution is an amazing brand. It has a variety of products, like honestly, variety. And the prices are really good. So yeah, I definitely always recommend Makeup Revolution. I mean, the eyeshadow palettes are sometimes a hit and sometimes a miss, I have to be honest. Because in the last video, you would know. But apart from that, I have no complaints. So yeah, that was the Revolution haul that I've been meaning to film for a while now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thought I was gonna drop my shadow palette. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!